When we do the push-up, what we want to do is have just outside shoulder width distance. That's going to put our hands at what we call the 1.5 biacromial distance. Very scientific, I understand. But instead of having your elbows flared out, what we want to do is have our elbows in at about 45 to 60 degrees with our hands right at our chest line. We want to squeeze our shoulder blades back, bring our head up just a tad, and then create a stable core by tightening our tummy and then coming up, slowly down, not letting the shoulder blades move too much, and back down. So try to master these 4 principles of elbows tucked, shoulder blades pinched, tummy tight, and head slightly tilted up. If you have any questions on how to practice this on your own, give me a shout out. Gateway Chiropractic in Spokane. Stay strong.